What's up, family? Welcome to Ddin'S Experience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. What's up, Ddin'S? So for this eggplant parmesan recipe, you're going to need eggplants, mozzarella slices, shredded mozzarella, fresh spinach, Italian breadcrumbs, Panko breadcrumbs, all-purpose flour, grated Parmesan and Ramano cheese, spaghetti sauce, salt, black pepper, onion, garlic powder, and basil seasoning. With that said, family, let's get to making a devastation. All right, we're going to take our eggplants and we're going to shave the skin off of them like this. I don't like the skin on mine. Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to cut the ends off of both sides of our eggplant. And now we're going to make them into patties. Cut them into patties. Just like so. Okay, now we're going to take a paper towel and we're going to lay our eggplant patties on top of them. You'll see why here in a minute. Line these up here. Had a little bit of trouble. Now I like to use iodized salt, and we're going to put the salt on these. Now what the salt is going to do is the eggplant have a bitter taste to it. This salt is going to help bring out that bitter taste of your eggplants. We're going to pay attention to this one. We're going to let this sit for an hour. Set alarm for an hour from now.
Okay, 1:52 p.m. Setting your alarm.
And see that slight brown liquid? That is that bitter taste coming out of it. All right. We're going to rinse these off thoroughly. Quick facts. Eggplant Parmesan, Parmigiana di Melanzane in Italian, is one of the classic preparations in southern Italy. It is a preparation associated with the cooking of Naples, but it is popular in the Campine countryside in Calabria and Sicily too. Pretty cool. That was pretty cool. So we're going to take 2 cups of flour, and then we're going to add our ½ teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. You can use whatever salt you like. I'm going to use my black pepper, ½ teaspoon. Okay. And we're going to mix this in nice and evenly. This is going to taste great. Now this is going to be a 3-station. So we're going to take our flour and we're going to put this to the side. Now we're going to take 4 eggs and we're going to whisk these up real good. Like so. And then we're going to put these to the side. Last but not least, we're going to take 1 cup of Italian breadcrumbs, 1 cup of Panko breadcrumbs for extra crunch, a ½ teaspoon, well, let me go ahead and take the top off first, a ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, a ½ teaspoon of onion powder. And let's go ahead and mix this in nice and well. Now this is a 3-step process, so I'll be showing you guys one at a time just for demonstration purposes. And once we're done with that, we're going to put this to the side. Now first we're going to take our eggplant patty and we're going to dip it in our flour nice and thoroughly. Next, we're gonna go ahead and put that into our eggs. Dip that in very well, make sure that all of the flour is covered. Check it. Okay, so some flour is coming back out. Go ahead and dip that back in. Nice. Okay, now, last but not least, we're gonna put our eggplant patty into our breadcrumbs and get this nice and covered up well and evenly. And you're gonna do that to the rest of your eggplant patties. Okay, quick facts. When was eggplant parmesan invented? The version we know today, with its Parmesan cheese and tomato sauce, first appeared in print in Lapito Cavalcante's Casina Terrico Partica, published in Naples in 1837. Montefusco says. That's what it says. Okay, after we have all of our eggplant patties coated, we're going to put a little bit of Parmesan and Ramano cheese on there just for extra flavor. We're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees and we're going to cook it on each side for 10 minutes. Give me a like. Okay, after 10 minutes, this is what it's going to look like. We're going to go ahead and flip these over. Yes. Have a little bit of trouble, a little finesse, we get it working. There we go. Look at that. Okay. And we're gonna put some Ramano and Parmesan cheese on this side as well, and we're gonna cook this for 10 minutes. We're gonna put this to the side, and we're gonna prepare our baking dish. I put a little bit of grapeseed oil or marinara sauce, some garlic, and we line the bottom with our first layer of eggplants. More marinara, mozzarella slices, our Parmesan and Romero, our basil seasoning. Then we're gonna add in our spinach, more patties, another layer of marinara sauce, basil seasoning. Again, the same way, you guys. You guys get the gist. Now we're going to top it with our shredded mozzarella. Okay. Now we're going to cook that for 30 minutes until it comes out like this. Yes. All right. Let's plate this up for you guys. Look at that. That looks beautiful. All right. Go ahead and cut this open. Look how cheesy that is. Still see the steam coming off of it. Let's have a bite here. Ow! That is beautiful. Thank you again, guys, for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at the bottom right. Share this video at least with one of your friends. Let's make it to our first 100 subscribers, Dean. Until our next food adventure, peace.